be looking at the mean from the group frequency table. So here we've got the height of anything really, some bushes, and we can see that there's 8 bushes that have a height up to 10 centimeters, 5 bushes that go from 10 to 20 centimeters, and 3 bushes from 20 to 30 centimeters. To find the mean, the estimated mean from this frequency table, the first step will be to add a new column, and that will be for the midpoint. We're estimating that the average for that range is the midpoint, so 5, 15 and 25. Once we've found the midpoints, we can then add up the total heights of those 8 plants. So if we're assuming that 8 plants have a height of 5 centimeters, then we can total the heights of the bushes, right? So we do that by adding a new column again, f times m. That's going to be the frequency times the midpoint, and then we're just going to multiply across. We're going to go 8 times 5, which is 40, 5 times 15, which is 75, and 3 times 25, which is 75. So if we have 8 plants that are 5 centimeters tall, they have a total height of 40 centimeters. If we have 5 plants that are 15 centimeters tall, then they have a total height of 75 centimeters. Okay? And to find the mean, we use the total heights. So that's going to be 40 plus 75 plus 75. Basically, we're adding up that blue column, and then we're going to add up the total, the frequency column to find the total frequency. So when we add up all the heights of the plants, we get 40 plus 75 plus 75. Remember, those are estimated heights because we've found the midpoint. And then the total number of plants is going to be 8 plus 5 plus 3. So the top becomes 190 and the denominator is 16. Again, we're estimating that 5 plants or 8 plants have an average height of 5 centimeters. That's how we're finding those midpoints. This is estimated mean. So we're saying the 5 plants have an estimated height of 15 centimeters. And the last group, the estimated height is 25 centimeters, the average height. So 190 divided by 16 is going to be 11.9, so 1 decimal place. And that is working out the mean from the group frequency table. And the trick is to find the midpoints and then multiply the frequency by the midpoints, which are the average heights of those plants.